Workshop Wednesday, everybody. I hope you're doing good. I certainly am. Gonna be nice little 80 degrees. I don't mean to rub that into our northern friends, but yeah, 80 degrees today. Wind's blowing like hell, but all my hair messed up. I better get me a haircut for next week. Art of the Cowgirl next week. Peel out Monday. Going to be there for a whole week. Going to be fun. We set up on Tuesday, I guess, and then Wednesday away we go, plumb through Sunday. So lots of fun and activities. Got several. I'm doing a drawing class. You can still sign up for the drawing class at Art of the Cowgirl. They have a link there on their website, or a page on their website that you can go to if you want to do that. 2 days, fun drawing excitement. So that'll be good. Gonna have a discussion on bridle bits, and no, it's not gonna be a lecture of me telling you how to ride your horse and how a bridle bit works, but it's going to be us conversing together and having a discussion on the pressure points that a bridle bit puts in a horse, and how you can change the ratios and all that different stuff, and so that you can ride your horse better and communicate better, because that's what a bit is, a form of communication. Anyhow, that'll be going on. Me and Carly Stutz will have a booth there, table together, and she's gonna bring all kinds of stuff. In fact, she's asked me to bring an extra table, and that's a good thing because I don't have anything to put on a table. Busy, but all's good there. Look here, show you a little update on the toy. Camera on top of the microscope. There's the TV. Gonna be cool. Got several little things going on, and the camera works for recording. I think I've recorded a few things. They're a little bit like watching paint dry at the moment. I'll edit them down and make them a little more entertaining for Patreon and all that business, and YouTube. I'll get some stuff out there every now and then for YouTube, but Patreon mostly is where all this stuff's gonna be going, and how to, and watching me go at it and joining the journey of the bit and spur world. So anyhow, I'll show you also what I'm doing here. They got the Calgary Stampede. I got all that stuff engraved in there yesterday, and now I'm trying to cut those little holes out. And if my forehead's red, it's because I got the big optivisors out trying to see that little stuff and cut it out. Those little holes right there, holy mackerel, they're little bitty. So run the saw blade through. Run the saw blade through there. See that? Cut it all out. Away we go. But anyhow, life is good. Look, cheese. He's mad because I won't feed him. He wants his canned food. Anyhow, all's good. I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday. It feels like Sunday. How about Wednesday? I hope you're having a wonderful workshop Wednesday, and you're probably not gonna see a workshop Wednesday unless somebody talks me into it in the drawing class. The drawing class will be going on Wednesday and Thursday of next week. So anyhow, if somebody talks me into it, we'll do one. If not, I'll see when I get back. Y'all have a good one. Adios.